What's the meaning of Caesarean? Caesarean. Caesarean.
Caesarean. Caesarean. Caesarean refers to a surgical procedure where a baby is delivered through an incision in the mother's abdomen and uterus. This procedure is usually performed when a vaginal delivery is not safe for the mother or baby or when there are complications during the pregnancy. The result of a caesarean section is the safe delivery of the baby and the prevention of potential harm to both the mother and child. After the surgery, the mother may require more time to recover than with a vaginal birth, but most women can resume their normal activities within a few weeks.